Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the battery's voltage and that polarity markings match the device. This prevents damage. Once done, charge the battery to the recommended level and power the Bluetooth accessory off so pairing initializes cleanly. Make sure the devices are within 3 to 10 meters and away from heavy Wi-Fi or microwave interference. Now, press and hold the accessory's power/pair button until LEDs indicate pairing mode. This is the first actionable step to establish. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone or host and open the device list. You want your accessory to appear. Once visible, select its name and, if prompted, confirm the PIN or accept the pairing request. This secures the link. If the accessory supports an app, open it now to complete any firmware updates or set power profiles. Apps often expose battery use settings and advanced pairing options. Make sure to keep the devices still and close while the connection establishes to avoid interruptions. Finally, verify the battery voltage reading and confirm a stable Bluetooth connection by testing core functions like audio, LED status, or control commands. Once paired, make sure auto reconnect is enabled so the device reconnects after sleep. If things go wrong, try a simple reset. Power cycle the accessory, forget the device on your host, and repair. Make sure cables and polarity are correct because reversed connections or low voltage often cause pairing failures. This single troubleshooting tip solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.